no tissue in here.
Oh, it sounds horrible in there. Oh, did you have fruits for lunch? Okay. You know what? I think you need some tissue. Oh, you're still not done. Here, have some tissue. Sorry, that was my cane. Here, tissue.
What is this, a tape?
Yeah, it's better. Oh, you just hit my cat. Keep going.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't hurt his back.
Okay, good job. All right, are you finished? Let's go. Come outside. I need to see who you are.
Let me just fix my belt.
That's a great belt, Batman. Come up here. Okay. Yes, our toilets are very powerful.
What is it?
Before I shake your hand, I think we should wash our hands. So let me just turn on the phone. It's touch sensitive.
High tech.
Splash.
I thought it would be better if the machine talks to you and lets you know, just in case you're blind or something.
Drip.
How convenient.
Yeah, I know.
It tells me when it's coming out.
You be quiet.
That guy's
Yelling at us, telling us to be quiet. Okay. Hi, I'm Phil. This is my restaurant.
Hi, I'm Bob. This is my restaurant.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa.
You better be quiet. You know what? I have to unzip my jacket because I'm like hot flashing right now. It's one of those will.i.am jackets. Oh.
It's still unzipping, okay.
Okay, it's still unzipping. Amazing. Who's your father?
Michael Jackson.
I told you to be quiet in your stall, sir. Michael Jackson, this guy. What's his name?
His name is...
Uncle Power.
Tissue or what?
Soap, get.
I think the soap just snitched on us. Don't throw that at him. It's not going to be a good idea.
Let me take a picture out of my bag to show you this picture. Oh, flick it open.
Yeah, it's a briefcase.
Ooh, it's deep in there.
Is that a magic bag?
No.
This guy's amazing. You know what? Let's start whispering so that he can't hear us.
I hear you. I hear you again.
You know what? It was kind of late, but hey.
That didn't hurt.
You just ripped a moving picture from Harry Potter.
What?
Gosh.
Sorry, Dumbledore.
I am Michael Jackson.
Oh,
And Harry Potter.
oh, that's amazing. Oh, okay. So that means you're my long-lost cousin.
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Sir,
How long are you going to be in there?
he ordered the clam.
My next film.
Okay, that's amazing. You're my cousin.
Oh, sorry. I didn't clean myself.
Go to the bathroom and wash that.
Sir,
I don't even know when the door is closed.
I think he's a psychic.
Get.
So, you cleaned yourself. Amazing. Amazing how fast you did that. I swear you're a transformer or something. Long lost cousin, how do you own the same restaurant as me? That's amazing.
I know. Wait, my shoes are untied.
Should try them. Oh, they're buckles. That's an amazing invention. Well, guess what? I have the Z straps. Now listen.
Z's.
Hey!